We are focused now on the monstrous threat posed by ISIL. This is a threat that has cost not only the lives of 2 American journalists, but an untold number of Syrian and Iraqi lives, also by summary execution and by beheading and so forth. This is an urgent issue for the United States. It's an urgent issue for Iraq, for the Syrian people, and of course for the broader region. We, in parallel to our strikes against ISIL, to the coalition strikes, we are moving out, as you know, on training and equipping Syria's moderate opposition. And we believe, this is our longstanding position, but I think this moving out on the train and equip program reflects this position, that the Syrian moderate opposition provides the best alternative to the Assad regime and the best counterweight to ISIL, particularly given, again, the amount of sacrifice that the moderate opposition have made trying to expel ISIL from various parts of Syria, including most recently fighting to ensure that ISIL does not take over some very important crossing points in northern Syria that could undermine the entire, or at least those crossing points' humanitarian flow and the provision of food and medicine and so forth.